This is definitely not your regular fried rice recipe, and if I do not blow your mind on this channel, I don't know who else will. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this super colorful, yummy, tasty, and of course extremely healthy pot of fried rice. Let's get started. So in a pot, I sauteed some onion, some ginger and garlic paste, and then of course went in with the star of this recipe, the turmeric powder. Now, turmeric is a natural spice that is rich in powerful anti-inflammatory phytochemicals. It also contains very high amount of antioxidants to help mop up free radicals from your body. It helps to fight cancer and other heart-related diseases. This means that this powder is a health booster in this recipe. All right, so next up, I went in to pour in my already washed and drained rice into the pot. I am going to be toasting this rice in this oil mix, as you can see. The idea is to toast this rice until it is very crispy and comes out, grain by grain. It's not lumpy, and everything, the whole flavor is just combined into the rice. You'll get this kind of texture. You can see all the rice grains are separated from each other, and you can stir the rice with so much ease, without hassle or anything like that. And then you go in with either some stock or water. Here I used water because I did not have stock readily available. And then you just go on to give that a good mix, and then season with some scotch bonnet pepper, some seasoning powder, and salt to taste. You want to give that a very good stir so that everything mixes together, and you're ready to cook. Then you can go ahead to taste and adjust the seasoning as you deem fit. Then just cover that to cook, and voila! The rice is not too soft. You have to be careful not to cook your rice too soft, so that you have that crispy, not gummy rice. That's not what you want. And then in a pan, I'm just going to saute some more onion, ginger and garlic paste, and then saute my vegetables that I'll be using for this recipe as well. So for the vegetables, I'll be using some diced carrots, some diced green bell pepper, some diced green beans, some diced spring onions. Those are the 4 vegetables I'll be using. And I like to saute my carrots first because I like it to cook a little bit so that it's not extremely crunchy, and then I just follow with the next hard vegetable, which of course here is the green beans. And then I went in with the green bell pepper, then seasoned that with some seasoning powder and some salt, and also added a little bit of grounded pepper for extra heat. You want to go on and give that a very good stir so that everything mixes and cooks very thoroughly. After that, you would just take out a portion of this sauteed vegetable, because you're going to be mixing it with the rice in batches. And of course, the pan here is quite small, so we're trying to prepare everything in batches. And then I'll go on to add my already cooked rice into. You can see how brightly colored this rice is. It is very appetizing. It was also at this point I added the spring onions for extra freshness. My godson and daughter were here the day I made this recipe. They totally enjoyed it. I think this is a picture of one of them after being fed this food. See how shiny that stomach is now, you guys. And then you just give that a very good mix, and voila, your fried rice, extremely colorful, rich, healthy, sumptuous fried rice recipe is ready. And then I went on to pair it with this beautiful salad, which I would link up in this video if you want to see how I made this salad. It was very yummy. I had a lot of compliments on this salad. And then some fried chicken. Let me know in the comment section if you will try out this recipe. Do not forget to nourish, flourish, and glow healthy foodies. And I will see you in my next video. Bye. I love you guys so much.